How are you, my brother and sisters? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope आपको मेरी पिछली वीडियो में आवाज़ आई होगी. Maybe I would have helped you. Today we are going to talk about BTC again, but today I have a little bit different kind of a video because probably this might help you, and that is I'll explain it in detail. Maybe इसमें शायद किसी ने कभी बात नहीं की. Seek and destroy. Seek and destroy. And one more thing, that is profile. Seek and destroy profile. So this is the topic today we are going to discuss, and I'm going to put some light into it. What do you understand from seek and destroy? I mean, what do you think? What does that mean? That seek and destroy profile. Seek and destroy profile in any market condition is when you see the price chop round, जिसको हम chop कहते हैं, take out the highs, take out the lows, then it goes high and then it is lows. It's kind of a range, but it has that tendency to be move all of a sudden अचानक तेजी से ऊपर जाना, अचानक तेजी से drop होना. That's the seek and destroy profile. And in BTC, because what I believe, BTC is not a very easy intraday trading instrument. Most of the people will say, "Yeah, nahi yaar, skill ka difference." I can understand it's a skill difference. I can understand. Most of the people are very good. Intraday ka matlab ye hai those who play within a single session or in one time frame, two time frames, like 15 to 1 hour. Like they look for an opportunity in a 1 hour and then they take an entry on 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever. But the chart of BTC, look at the chart of BTC. And if we compare that chart, look at that. I'll compare that chart. I'll compare that chart to anything, or I'll compare that chart to SPX. So if I compare that chart to XPX, this is the stock market, that is NASDAQ. And if you notice that, look at the अगर आपको clearly नजर आ रहा है, look at the price action of BTC versus NASDAQ. With S&P, that's the stock market index. Look at this. What do you notice? Notice here and notice here. Look at this. Beautiful. Price delivery is smooth. So BTC, what I'm trying to tell you is that BTC is going through a seek and destroy profile. जब seek and destroy profile होती है, these kind of candles are mostly printed. Like look at this, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. In candles को normally ये जैसे ये candle है. This is the perfect seek and destroy. Look at this. What happened in this candle? Can you see that? इसने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 दिन का हाइस को स्वीप किया एंड 5 दिन के लोज को स्वीप कर दिया. Even though 6, 7, look at this. This is seek and destroy example, or maybe equal, yeah. So look at this. I mean, इसे हम seek and destroy profile कहते हैं. उसके बाद भी BTC उधर ही कर्ल करता रहा. उसके बाद ये, उसके बाद ये कैंडल, उसके बाद ये. So this whole profile is a seek and destroy. Seek and destroy. Normally, what I do in a seek and destroy profile, जो मेरा opinion ये है, मैं seek and destroy के बाद manipulation का wait करता हूँ. Like one side being rated heavily, like थोड़ा सा rate ज़्यादा करें, and then it goes back, and then I look for an opportunity. Or I anticipate यहाँ कोई high time frame level हो. For example, I know the order flow. I anticipate that this order block will hold, and that is the seek and destroy profile high. But still, it is very difficult. So in my opinion, BTC is going through a seek and destroy profile. Look at this. Look at this. What is happening here? What is happening here? Are you trading this thing? अगर आप इसको trade कर रहे हैं, I think this is the most difficult art to trade a seek and destroy profile. It is, इसका क्या मतलब है seek and destroy? It means कि both side पे liquidity generate की जाए, seek की जाए, and destroy it on the both sides. So in my personal opinion, और ये जो drop हुआ है, it makes the market इतनी थिन कर दी है कि मार्केट मेकर्स एंड द मार्केट प्लेयर्स आर जस्ट वेटिंग. They're not trading intraday this stupid asset. they are waiting. This is a very typical seek and destroy profile. और heavily manipulated assets में ऐसा होता है, heavily manipulated. So my question is, and my thesis is here, is that if you're trading BTC on intraday level, do not waste your energy on it. If you are trading with with the concept of 1 hour, like sorry, with the concept of yes, I'll explain to you if you want to be more one. If you're trading with 1 hour setups, you may have a good winning rate. 1 hour setups in these market conditions may let you win. What is 1 hour in my opinion? Look at this, I'll explain you. This is, for example, this is a seek and destroy profile. For example, what I look for 1 hour, I look for 1 hour rate. 1 hour, जैसे कि ये हमारे पास स्विंग लो है, ये स्विंग लो है, ये स्विंग लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दिस लो टू बी टेकन आउट. किसी भी लो को लेने से पहले नीचे कोई ना कोई डिमांड, सप्लाई, फेयर वैल्यू गैप या ऑर्डर ब्लॉक होना चाहिए. सो नाउ इन दिस रीजन वी हैव दिस rejection block which was on the 1 hour. This was a rejection block and which was untested. So what price did? Price break this low and then test it. Now go to the 5 minutes chart. What we are going to do on the 5 minute? What we are going to do? We tested this rejection block and then we went above. And what we are going to see, what I look for that breaker entry. This is the breaker. And what I told you, मैंने क्या आपको कहा है? That's a simple rule. All you have to wait and look for a long position. You look at position because these are the clean. You take a position here and put yourself in here or probably here and go for 1 hour. Where is 1 hour? The 1 hour is above here, or yeah, 1 hour is here, almost. Now, and make you stop in the 50 region of this wick, almost. This is the setup that I prefer to take. It works. Look at this, price क्या कर रही है? Still waiting. Seek and destroy. Now this is the seek and destroy profile. Price went above, price went down and went above. इसने highs को भी लिया, lows को भी लिया, and now price is going towards the upside. So अगर आपने इस asset class, इस market condition में जब seek and destroy profile active हो, the only thing you look for is a 1 hour trades. I know आपको रिवॉर्ड कम मिलेगा, I know, but आपकी सक्सेस रेट, यू विनिंग रेशो बहुत इंक्रीज होगी. Yes, you will make 5% or 6% a month, but 5% or 6% in a month if you're trading with $10,000 account or $5,000 account, if you make 5%, that is $250. This is hell of a money. 5%, and if you make 5%, that is $250. And अगर आज के जो पाकिस्तान का रेट है 250 equals to, for example, 300. Oh my God, that is almost $75,000. So 75,000 rupees. So from the 5% trades, so I don't know how much you risk from it. For example, how much you risk from it. I'm not risking. If you're risking 1%. So what I'm saying is that this is the market condition we are dealing with. तो अगर BTC को आपने ट्रेड करना है, I'll explain you what I look for. I look for swing dollar positions and I show you. Look at this. अब मैं इसको 1 month के चार्ट पे ले आया. कितना क्लीन चार्ट नजर आ रहा है. Isn't it clean? What a beautiful chart. It's a cleanest chart. So if I want to long, for example, मैं इस चार्ट को देखकर मंथली चार्ट मुझे क्या बता रहा है? मंथली चार्ट मुझे ये बता रहा है, मैं आपके लिए एनालिसिस शो कर देता हूँ. दिस इज द हाई ऑफ प्रीवियस मंथ, द मंथ ऑफ जून 2022. दैट्स द हाई. वी हैव नॉट येट टेकन आउट ऑन द मंथली स्केल. दिस इज द एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी. वी हैव नॉट टेकन इट. सो इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब यह है कि प्राइस एक्सटर्नल लिक्विडिटी को इंड्यूस कर रही है. आइदर इट इज हैवी और इट इज इंड्यूसिंग. आई बिलीव दिस इज इंड्यूसिंग बिकॉज this high, that was the what I say, that is the intermediate term high. ITL इसको मैं कहता हूँ. Why intermediate high? Why? Because इस high को बनते हुए it came from a fair value gap. सो इसने फेयर वैल्यू गैप में स्वीप किया एंड देन इट मेक अ लो, और जब भी ये हाई एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप से ब्रेक होगा, आई लुक फॉर एन एंट्री नाउ एंड आई लुक फॉर द एक्सटर्नल. नाउ दिस इज बुलिश सिनेरियो. व्हाट आई लुक फॉर, अगर मैंने इसको ट्रेड करना है जब ये प्राइस एक्शन हो, आई लुक फॉर सिंपल आर internal range liquidity की sweep. Now this low is what I am looking for to be swept. And इस low के नीचे कोई ऐसी चीज है जिसके ऊपर प्राइस को होल्ड करना चाहिए? This is the rejection block which I think can come into play. And we have this breaker block. This. So now everything is lining up. So now I look for an entry into this area, which is around $23,000. So अब मेरे opinion के मुताबिक I look for a weekly chart. What weekly is saying? Weekly में मैं ये समझ रहा हूँ कि we need a structure shift. And where is the structure shift? I look for, अभी तक हमने कोई structure shift नहीं किया. On the 4 hour, let's go to the 4 hour. What I look for. Yes, we have this break in structure, we take it out, but we are very close to the liquidity. Yes, we have given an opportunity here. So in my personal opinion, I still believe seek and destroy profile में I would like to see this high again taken out. मैं चाहूँगा कि ये high दोबारा लिया जाए और फिर मुझे भी opportunity मिले. I look to short it because in my personal opinion, this is the strong high now. This is the strong high. My stops above these highs are always in protection. So I look for a strong high. So if अगर मैंने long करना short करना है तो I look for anything above this. That's my stop. I am targeting these areas. What is this risk to reward? 23.2. So this is my trade. This is what I am looking for. Are you looking for the same thing? I don't know about you, but this is what I am looking for. And I'm confident I'll get that, and that's the swing trade. Second trade I can look for, because इसमें मेरा price action clean हो जाएगा. The second trade I would look for is the long. I look for a long. I look for the price to come as deep as it gets. Now this is the range that we are dealing with. इस range के अंदर हमें buy करना है, सही है? इस range के अंदर this is the deep discounted area, I believe. Look at this. This is the deep discounted area. Anything below 50 is a deep discount. So I look for somewhere here, look for an opportunity to long this. My stop loss is here. So if I'm targeting external liquidity, I look for an opportunity in here which stops below this. This is a very general idea, I'm saying that. And I'm targeting these highs. सिंपल एज दैट. अपनी ट्रेडिंग को इजी करने के लिए गो टू द लॉन्ग टाइम फ्रेम, हायर टाइम फ्रेम. जब तक कि आपके पास हायर टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर कंट्रोल नहीं आ जाता, डू नॉट ट्रेड द लो टाइम फ्रेम, बिकॉज इफ यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल योर इमोशंस ऑन द हायर टाइम फ्रेम, लोअर टाइम फ्रेम विल डिस्ट्रॉय यू. और इस तरह के एनवायरनमेंट में जहाँ सीक एंड डिस्ट्रॉय, हमें ये वाली ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज चाहिए जिसमें प्राइस एक्सपेंशन में हो. ये तो कंसोलिडेशन है, एक्सपेंशन अभी आनी है. do not miss the books. See, किसी भी रेंज के अंदर all you need to do is to look for a downfall. So I believe अगर इसने seek and destroy करना है, so there is a high probability we will go towards this hard block again. ये भी हो सकता है प्राइस डायरेक्ट नीचे आ जाए, but I think सितंबर के मंथ में भी टाइम है. तो there is another sign. I see the alts, lots of alts. जिस alt के अंदर मैं ज़्यादा bullish हूँ वो ARB है, and I think ARB is looking for this high or this area, $1.1. ARB is looking for $1 because what happened is that ARB swept these lows, and now this is a seek and destroy profile. All I look for a break of this high, break of this high, break of these highs, find support somewhere here, and then we are targeting these highs. This is what I'm looking for from the and now we have a clean plan. That is the cleanest plan. और हमें break of the high के बाद एक expanded candle चाहिए. जैसे I'll show you, that was an expansion candle. ये वाली candle चाहिए हमें. ये candle बने तो anything in this region, यहाँ आप buy करें. You buy this one. That was a long position. Buy this. Put your stop below the swing low and target the nearest liquidity zone. That's the high. Yes, it took a lot of time, but Swing trading is all about this. So I think very be careful with the point. And even the Matic, look at the Matic chart. What Matic is doing. Look at this chart. I posted this chart long ago that Matic will give us a very deep retracement, and this is what Matic is doing. I think Matic has an opportunity, has a thing, has a chance that it may go one more time up, take out this high, and this is the breaker. So we have the breaker here. Yeah, Matic has another chance to test these breakers. So how much is this breaker is? Yeah, 40%. 40% move is coming on the Matic side. If Matic give us this breaker entry, that's the breaker entry. और अगर Matic बहुत ज़्यादा भी bullish होता है तो Matic, in my opinion, Matic can come into that box. Give us this area, break the structure on 4 hour and target these lows or these lows. Is it that simple? And I think Matic can have a potential to come here into these areas, and this is pretty normal. So I think be careful when the profile is seek and destroy. Gold में भी बहुत सारी seek and destroy profiles होती हैं. Gold is pretty much seeking. That was difficult, but I still believe gold can surprise you. I hope you guys are doing good. Assalamu alaikum.